Rheinmetall, one of Europe's leading defense technology firms, is set to deliver its cutting-edge Skyranger mobile air defense systems to Ukraine before the end of 2025, marking a significant development in the country's ongoing efforts to strengthen its defensive capabilities. The announcement came directly from Rheinmetall CEO Armin Paperger during an exclusive interview with Germany's ZDF magazine Wieso. According to Paperger, the deal, valued in the three-digit million euro range, is scheduled to be finalized at the Defence and Security Equipment International (DSEI) show in London. The move represents not only a major export milestone for Rheinmetall but also a potential game-changer for Ukraine's ability to counter the growing threat posed by unmanned aerial vehicles on the battlefield. The Skyranger platform is designed as a highly mobile, compact air defense system capable of being mounted on various vehicles, including Leopard main battle tanks. Its primary mission is to protect ground forces from small aerial threats, particularly drones, at short and very short ranges. According to Paperger, each system can cover a 4x4 kilometer area, creating what the company describes as a completely drone-free zone. This capability allows forces to operate with a significantly reduced risk of being targeted by enemy UAVs, which have become increasingly prevalent in modern conflicts. The ability to neutralize these threats quickly and efficiently gives Ukrainian troops a tactical advantage, enhancing both operational security and the effectiveness of ground operations. The Skyranger system combines advanced weaponry with sophisticated targeting and sensor technology. Its 30 by 173 mm KCE revolver cannon, coupled with programmable ahead airburst ammunition, allows for precision engagement of multiple aerial targets simultaneously. The system is capable of operating independently or as part of a larger, integrated air defense network, which increases its versatility in complex operational scenarios. Moreover, the platform supports the integration of short-range missiles, allowing it to respond to a broader range of aerial threats. Onboard sensors provide continuous surveillance and tracking, ensuring that any hostile aircraft or drone entering the defended area can be rapidly identified and engaged. This combination of firepower, mobility, and automation positions the Skyranger as one of the most advanced short-range air defense systems currently available on the market. The Ukrainian contract represents a major step in Rheinmetall's international sales strategy. While exact numbers of units to be delivered have not been disclosed, the financial scope of the deal underscores the importance placed on enhancing Ukraine's air defense capabilities. The systems are expected to arrive before the end of 2025, allowing Ukrainian forces to integrate them into existing defensive structures in time to counter increasingly sophisticated aerial threats. Paperger emphasized that these systems could provide substantial assistance in the current security environment, particularly given the increasing use of drones for reconnaissance, surveillance, and targeted attacks. At the same time, Rheinmetall is preparing for significant domestic procurement from the German Bundeswehr. In August 2025, Paperger revealed that Germany is expected to place an order for up to €8 billion worth of Skyranger systems. Although the exact number of units has not been confirmed due to security considerations, reports suggest that the Bundeswehr could require as many as 600 units to cover lower-tier air defense needs. Deliveries for this domestic program are planned to continue through 2035, with procurement phases divided into two periods, from the present until 2029, and from 2029 to 2035. This long-term planning underscores the importance Germany places on modernizing its air defense capabilities and maintaining technological superiority in the region. The development of the Skyranger system reflects Rheinmetall's focus on addressing emerging threats in modern warfare. Drones have transformed the battlefield in recent years, enabling adversaries to conduct surveillance, deliver precision strikes, and disrupt operations with minimal risk to personnel. Small, commercially available UAVs have been adapted for military purposes, creating new challenges for conventional air defense systems. The Skyranger was developed specifically to address these challenges, providing a mobile, highly responsive solution capable of neutralizing multiple UAVs simultaneously. Its integration with armored vehicles such as the Leopard tank adds an additional layer of protection, allowing frontline units to operate with greater confidence in contested areas. The system's design emphasizes both flexibility and scalability. It can be deployed independently to protect critical assets, such as command centers, supply depots, and troop concentrations, or it can be networked with other air defense units to create layered coverage over larger operational areas. The combination of the KCE revolver cannon, programmable ammunition, and optional missile systems allows commanders to tailor the Skyranger's engagement profile to the specific threat environment. Its sensors provide real-time data on incoming threats, enabling automated or semi-automated responses, which minimizes reaction times and increases the likelihood of neutralizing fast-moving aerial targets. Rheinmetall has already made progress in producing Skyranger systems for both domestic and international customers. In February 2024, Germany signed a €595 million contract with the company for the development and initial production of Skyranger 30 units on Boxer armored vehicles. The first prototype was delivered in early 2025, and series production is scheduled to commence between 2027 and 2028. This demonstrates Rheinmetall's commitment to delivering reliable, battle-ready systems on a predictable timeline. The experience gained through these early production runs will likely inform improvements and refinements in subsequent units, ensuring that both Ukrainian and German forces receive the most capable and effective systems possible. For Ukraine, the introduction of Skyranger systems comes at a critical moment. The ongoing conflict in the region has highlighted the growing role of unmanned aerial vehicles in modern warfare. Drones have been used extensively for reconnaissance, target acquisition, and even direct attacks against both military and civilian infrastructure. By deploying advanced, mobile air defense systems like Skyranger, Ukraine can better protect its forces and infrastructure while mitigating the threat posed by enemy UAVs. This will not only enhance the safety of personnel but also improve the effectiveness of coordinated operations on the battlefield. In addition to immediate tactical advantages, the acquisition of Skyranger systems may have broader strategic implications. By integrating advanced air defense technology into its armed forces, Ukraine strengthens its deterrence posture, signaling to potential adversaries that the country is capable of defending critical assets against modern aerial threats. This move may also encourage further cooperation and support from international partners, reinforcing Ukraine's position in the ongoing geopolitical landscape. The deal with Ukraine also highlights Rheinmetall's role as a leading provider of innovative defense solutions. The company has consistently focused on developing systems capable of responding to evolving threats, from conventional aircraft to the increasingly sophisticated use of drones in conflict zones. Skyranger represents the culmination of this approach, combining mobility, firepower, and advanced targeting technologies into a single, highly effective platform. Its deployment in Ukraine will serve as both a practical enhancement of defensive capabilities and a demonstration of Rheinmetall's technological leadership on the international stage. As the delivery of Skyranger systems approaches, both Ukraine and Rheinmetall are preparing for the challenges and opportunities associated with integrating these units into operational use. Training, logistical support, and maintenance will be critical to ensuring that the systems perform as intended in real-world conditions. The ability to rapidly deploy and sustain these units in a dynamic combat environment will be a key factor in maximizing their effectiveness. For Ukrainian forces, mastering these systems could provide a significant boost to operational flexibility and resilience against emerging aerial threats. Overall, the The forthcoming delivery of Skyranger mobile air defense systems to Ukraine represents a major advancement in the country's ability to defend against drones and other short-range aerial threats. With a combination of sophisticated targeting technology, powerful weaponry, and the flexibility to operate independently or as part of a broader network, these systems are poised to become a vital component of Ukraine's air defense strategy. At the same time, Rheinmetall's ongoing domestic production for the Bundeswehr underscores the company's broader commitment to maintaining Europe's technological edge in air defense capabilities. The deployment of Skyranger units will likely have a lasting impact on both Ukraine's operational effectiveness and Rheinmetall's position as a leading provider of next-generation defense solutions.